your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook up 1 pound of breakfast sausage. Roughly drain the excess grease. Scramble 6 eggs according to your personal preference. I butter my skillet and season with salt, pepper, and a splash of cream. If you like to soft scramble your eggs, do not do that in this recipe. They will spread out better if they are cooked harder. Pour both the sausage and eggs over a half-size sheet pan that has been lined or well greased to prevent sticking. Distribute everything evenly over the sheet pan. To a mixing bowl, add 3 cups of sourdough discard, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. You'll notice that the mixture starts to puff up immediately due to the reaction between the baking soda and sourdough discard. Pour the mixture all over the sausage and eggs, spreading to completely and evenly coat the sheet pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until lightly browned and cooked through. And there you have it, a McGriddle sheet pan sourdough breakfast. Slice and serve with additional maple syrup if desired. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.